Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome to this video. This is John from Programming Knowledge, and in this video guys, I'm going to show you and teach you how to use if statements in C programming language. So I think from the previous video we have touched the basic usage of if statement. So we have tried the if statement with the logical operators. So the and, the relational operators, the greater than, less than, or less than or equal to, and other relational operators. Okay, but in this particular video guys, I'm going to go deeper with the if statement and how we can apply if statement in our C program. And of course guys, I want to show you the practical approach on how you can implement if statement in a C program. So basically guys, if statements in C is used to control the program flow based on some conditions. So it is used to execute some statement code block if the expression is evaluated to true. So otherwise it will get skipped, and we will try to implement a simple or basic program utilizing the if statement. So actually guys, there are 4 different types of if statement in C. So these are simple if statement. We also have if else statement. We also have nested if else statement, and we also have else if ladder in C programming language. But for now, let's just focus on the simple if statement. So basically the structure of if statement is just like this. So we have this particular format or basic format of if statement in C. We have if keyword and then open and close parenthesis, and then inside of this open and close parenthesis is the test expression, okay, or the condition. And then of course we should add curly braces, open and close curly braces, and then of course the statement to execute whenever the test expression or condition is met, or in this particular case, if this particular condition is evaluated into true. Okay, so now let's try to implement a practical approach of an if statement. So say for example, you are developing a program or a software for a particular bar. Okay, and then that particular bar only accepts customers that are over 18 years old, and those customers that are below 18 years old are not allowed to enter the establishment or the bar itself. And we can create a very simple program for that, and our program will accept the age of the customer, and then it will evaluate the age and it will display a message based on that particular age. So the first thing that we're going to declare here is the variable age, which has the type of int, and of course we need to display something on to the screen that says to input a number that pertains to the age of the customer. So in order for us to do that, we need to use the method printf, and then in here we can say enter the customer or enter the age of the customer. Okay, then we can add colon and then space, so we can have like the space for our input age. Now we have this output and we need something to accept a number from our user, so we can use the method. I think we already used this before, the scanf, right? So in here we need to specify the format specifier for our age, which is %d, which pertains to the values that are of type int. Okay, and then of course after this we need to add the comma and of course the variable age. and of course we need to end this line with a semicolon. But the proper way of doing this is to add an ampersand symbol. Okay, so basically what we're doing here is just we're getting the address of age and assign value of that particular address using the value that has been inputted by the user. Okay, and of course we can now apply our if statement with this particular age. So the first thing that we're going to check if the age is greater than 18. Okay, so we can just copy and paste this age variable, and then we can add the logical operator greater than. So basically what we're doing here is to check if the age is greater than 18. Okay, so there you go. And then of course the statements to execute if condition is true. Okay, so basically what we can do here is to print the age is greater than 18. Okay, and basically it says, or it means that the customer can enter the premises or the bar itself. Okay, and of course we can also check if the user or the age of the customer is equal to 18. Okay, we could also check that by using the logical operator or the relational operator equals and equal symbol. So this is just testing the age if it is equal to the value 18. So the first one is we're testing the value age if it is greater than 18, and the second one if it is equal to 18. And then of course we need to display the corresponding output. So the age is equal to 18. Okay, and then of course we can add another one for this. So we can just copy and paste. For this one we need to check if the age is less than 18. So this is another logical operator that we have discussed from the previous videos. Okay, so greater than, equal, and then of course less than 18. And of course we can output here like minor is not allowed. Okay, that's because the age of the customer is less than 18, and the general rule when it comes to bar is minors are not allowed. So basically what we're doing here is very simple program for that particular bar. Okay, now we can try to run our program. We can just build. Okay, and then we can run our program, and we can enter the age of the customer. So for example, the age of the customer is 18. So the age is equal to 18. Okay, so as you can see, this is the only output, or this is the only statement that has been executed, the age equal to 18, because the other one, the other condition is not being met or not evaluated to true. Okay, because the age is equal to 18, and of course this is greater than 18, and of course this is less than 18. So we can try another one. So for example, the age is 19. So the age is greater than 18, and of course again this is the only statement that has been executed, because the condition evaluated to true. This is evaluated to false because the age is not equal to 18, and this one is evaluated to false also because the age is not less than 18. Okay, so You can try this one more time to check for, so for example, the age of the customer is 16. So the output is the minor is not allowed. Okay, that's the practical way of using if statement in C programming language. So I think that's all there is to it, guys, for this video. And in the next video, we're going to upgrade our program and to include the else statement for this particular program. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.